Hello and welcome to Balloons by Cara. I'm Cara. If you follow me on TikTok, you'll know I'm a bit at the moment. So welcome to YouTube and welcome to my first ever video, and today is going to be a really easy one, but also something that you can sell all year round and you don't have to worry about it. And we're talking about gender reveal balloons. So today I'm lucky enough to be doing 2 gender reveal balloons for the same person because we're having twins. So I know the gender, they don't, which is one of my favourite things about this whole thing, is being that one that knows the secret. So to get started, what you'll need is obviously some gender reveal balloons. You can get these from your wholesalers. You can actually buy them already stuffed with the colours that you need. I like to put my own in because I like to put a bit extra in. I like to make a big bang. Ones that I use are from Qualitex, they come 2 in a pack. The next thing you're going to need is your choice of confetti, whether you're going to go pink, blue, you know, whatever your client wants. They might want a different colour. You can buy them in little baggies, but I stock these in my shop, the confetti cannons, so I just use these. Yeah, so what I'll do is I will pierce the foil at the open end, empty it out into a little box, crumple it up because it is in little blocks of tissue, and then I will use a funnel so you'll need a funnel. You need one with quite a good opening at the end. This one's still quite small. What size is this? This is a 14 centimetre, but realistically a bigger hole in the bottom is better. You also will need a pump, whether that's a hand pump or an electric pump, that's completely up to you. And then what I like to do, which again isn't necessary, is I like to add lots of extra ribbon just to make it look a little bit more special. I also do add vinyl to mine. I'll normally put, you know, whatever the client wants or name his gender reveal. You'll need scissors if you're using ribbon. These aren't scissors, this is like a safety box cutter that I've got because I can't find my scissors. And I think that's it and we're good to go. So I'm just going to talk you through a few things whilst I go ahead and stuff the balloon. Now with gender reveal balloons, obviously you can get them on the high street now. You can go to the likes of Home Bargain and you can go to the likes of the Card Factory and get the balloons already done. So what I try to do is market myself to make it more personal. Obviously, yes, you can go to the Card Factory or wherever to get your gender reveal balloons. I'm just going to get a pokey stick. So I'm just going to poke these through, get them into the balloon. Like I said, yes, you can go to the Card Factory. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stuff this all in. And once it's all in, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I tie off the balloons, how I add all the little accessories just to make it a bit more personal, so that people will want to see it. The way I see it is a very important part. I can see if you're finding out more than that, thing is if you overinflate it and you are going to be using vinyl on it, I would always recommend to use paper transfer tape, but also dampen the stickiness off on your clothing because it's latex and because it's so big. I've also had it in the past where I've spent hours doing it for my brother, so I wanted to make it perfect because it's the last baby of our family. And just as I peeled the very last bit of transfer tape, bang, and my entire shop was just covered in mini balloons and confetti. It was just a nightmare, and they were on their way to come and get it, so I had to kind of say, oh, stay over there, don't come near the shop, don't come near me, because it was in my hair, it was in my shoes, it's everywhere. So be careful because it is only latex and it can go pop. So we're all inflated, you can see me. Now we've got a nice big trunk here to tie off. I like to go 4 fingers, wrap it around, and then just tuck the neck underneath, get your fingers out and pull it tight. So you've got a nice tight knot, just like that, I don't know if you can see. As you inflate these balloons, they go shiny because they do look quite dull, but you can hear that's full to the brim. So now I'm going to decorate it. I'll tie it in one knot, then I'll tie it in a second knot, just to make it nice and secure. Process then I'll have both of them, and yeah, then that'll be it.
And this is the final result. Twin 1, twin 2, both little boys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you've got any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe.